Okay, 1 kilometre and 58 dB, so that should be plenty still. Might get a bit higher. That's right. Oh, it's windy. Now let's see how fast it goes. It's coming home by itself. Coming back at 30 odd kilometres an hour. 40 kilometres an hour. I flew to 2 kilometres. That's as far as I flew that thing. Oh, it's still coming over 40 kilometres an hour, but I'm still 1.8 kilometres away. Can you see it? Am I heading towards us yet? That's us down there. Oh shit. Yeah, why? Something broke.